Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we have something truly special in automotive resurrection that blends nostalgia with modern innovation. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a name that echoes through automotive history, now reborn for a new generation. Stick around, because we're diving deep into every detail from its charming exterior to how it performs on the road. Now, let's start with what grabs your attention first: the look of this car. Citroën has done something remarkable. They've reimagined the classic, quirky 2CV for the 21st century while staying incredibly loyal to its soul. At the front, you're greeted with the iconic rounded headlights, now updated with LED rings that give it a soft but futuristic glow. The grille retains that familiar wide smile, only now it's more stylized, incorporating active shutters for aerodynamics. There's even a subtle nod to the corrugated hood design of the original 2CV, but with smoother lines and better integration into the bodywork. Moving along the side, the silhouette is unmistakably to see V-arched roofline, short overhangs, and that slight rearward rake that gave the original its charm. The new model rides slightly higher, with pronounced fender flares over chunky, retro-styled wheels. It's a clever fusion of vintage and contemporary. And check this out, those wheel arches. They're made from recycled thermoplastics, part of Citroën's new sustainability initiative. There's also an optional canvas roof that can retract, just like the old models. Only now it's powered and weather-sealed to modern standards. From the back, the car continues to impress with its simplicity. The tail lamps are rectangular LED units that mirror the original's minimalism, but offer all the tech you'd expect today. A small ducktail lip on the rear hatch improves airflow, and the bumper integrates subtle parking sensors. The rear hatch opens vertically, giving access to a surprisingly spacious trunk for a city car. Step inside, and it's clear Citroën wanted to preserve that minimalist charm while delivering a thoroughly modern driving environment. The dashboard is a clean, horizontal layout, finished in recycled materials with a textile wrap that feels both eco-friendly and stylish. The instrument cluster is fully digital, but designed with playful typography that mimics analog gauges. It's cute, but smart in the center. There's a floating 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Citroën's new software interface is snappy and intuitive. The physical buttons are few, but the essential ones: climate, volume, defrost are tactile and easy to access. The air vents, circular, with color accents that match the exterior paint, offering a bit of whimsy. The seats are where Citroën's comfort-first philosophy really shines. They're wide, sofa-like, with memory foam cushioning and washable fabric covers. The rear seats can slide and recline, and there's more legroom than you'd expect, thanks to the car's clever floor pan design. The cabin is airy, with big windows and that optional retractable roof giving you a semi-convertible feel. Under the hood, well, technically under the body, since this is a dedicated EV platform, you'll find a single electric motor on the front axle in the standard version, producing around 130 horsepower. It's not a rocket, but acceleration is peppy thanks to instant torque. There's also a dual motor version rumored to be in the pipeline, potentially with around 200 horsepower and all-wheel drive, aimed at enthusiasts who want something zippy but still adorable. The battery pack comes in two options: a 40 kilowatt-hours base pack that offers about 180 miles of range, and a 55 kilowatt-hours upgrade that pushes closer to 250 miles. Fast charging is supported up to 100 kilowatts, which means 20 to 80% in around 25 minutes, perfect for city commuters or casual weekend trips. On the road, it's surprisingly agile. The steering is light but accurate, and the suspension is true to Citroën traditionally softy. Soft, potholes like a sponge, but doesn't feel disconnected. It's fun, relaxed, and quirky, just like a 2CV should be. Now, let's talk price. The base model starts at just under $24,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its class. For the longer range battery and some of the nicer trim options, you're looking at about $29,000. There's also a limited Heritage Edition priced around $32,000, which includes vintage-inspired detailing, two-tone paint, and exclusive interior finishes. If you're someone looking for a unique EV that doesn't follow the usual design trends, the 2025 2CV might just be your dream ride. It's not about being the fastest or the most luxurious, it's about personality, sustainability, and emotional connection. This is a car that makes people smile. Whether you're a city dweller, a nostalgic driver, or a young buyer looking to stand out, it delivers something truly different in a sea of cookie-cutter crossovers. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely, with its blend of heritage, charm, and modern tech. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is one of the most thoughtful and delightful reinterpretations we've seen in years. Just don't expect it to be everything for everyone. It's not trying to be. It's proud of what it is: simple, lovable, and honest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For more content like this, drop your thoughts about the 20252 2CV in the comments. Love it, hate it, curious to test drive one. Let's talk. Until next time, drive safe and keep it quirky.